Hi guys, and welcome back to my art channel, Angela Mutavi Art. This is Angela, and today I'm doing a very simple monochromatic painting. I have my white base paint on the canvas already, and I am just going to use one color, and this is Mars Black by Arteza. So just gonna put it on the center of a line, and then I am going to tilt it so I can make those pores. But yeah, the very simple. What we are going for here is to see if we are going to get some pores from this. So let me go ahead and start from the middle and just make a nice little puddle. My aim is to make sure that I have enough paint so when I tilt, it will tilt over the white paint. That is what makes the pores, because the combination of the paint and the paint colors will bring those cells up. So I will add a little bit of my white base as well and see if we are going to get some pearls when we tilt it. So here we go. Let's paint around. Let's add a little bit white around, and then we will tilt and get our design.
Here's a link to the video on how I mixed my white paint right above.
Here we go. It's time to tilt. This paint it's been sitting here for quite a while, so just want to make sure that okay, so we'll tilt it back. And the trick about this this technique, you have to tilt and completely tilt all the paint out, the white paint. Make sure that the black paint covers over the white paint if you want to get good pores. And that is it. So let's go ahead and wait and see what kind of pores we're gonna get here. Okay, see the stretching here, that's what makes the pores. It's what makes the design that you want. And as you can see, if you have mixed your paint right, you are going to get the kind of design that you're looking for. I'm pretty happy with this, so let's go ahead and let it sit and bring up the design. So let me bring it closer to the camera so you can see the type of pores that it's brought. How beautiful, huh? And they're still developing. They're not done yet. So let them develop a little bit more, and then I'll show you the final. You'll see the final result. That was a very simple painting, and you can make this type of painting with any color you want, as long as you have the white paint in the bottom. You can put on the base of the canvas, you can put any other color that you want, and just tilt it over, and it will bring you this beautiful pro design. So that's one that we have. I might make another one, but the other one will be another video. So yeah, thank you so much. And this is the final result, and it's not dry obviously, but when it dries up I will show you the final look. Okay, thank you for being here. God bless. Bye.